Let's check this one out. I'm getting a little bit I'm start getting feeling cold. It's not that cold. I think today is about +5. Earlier +5, I think. Yeah. This one. I bought this one also at Amazon, and I'm hoping it's gonna work how it's supposed to be. It has a good reviews. I got this one for how much? $50. It's pretty light. It's about, I guess, 10 pounds? No, not 10 pounds. Less than that. It's about 2 pounds or something. Let's see how it works. It has a good reviews though. That's why I picked this one up. Okay, so let's plug it. Alright, so I just want to review about this heater that I bought it about a month ago from Amazon. What's the brand with this one again? The brand with this one is this Mr. Brands. Alright, so I bought this one for whenever I do some work in the garage, because right up here it's really cold up here in Canada. It's really cold. So I decided to try one of this, if this is good enough for about this room. How big is this? This is about 16, no, not 16. This is like 12 by 20. I think it's 12 by 20. So because most of the winter time, I'm doing some work here, doing some maintaining on my motorcycle. So it's really cold. It's very cold here in my garage. So I decided. So I was looking for something like something portable one that would warm enough my garage whenever I work here. So it's like for about a month now that I'm been using this. And it's, see, there's like two options in there. 1,300 in 1,000. I never use 1,500. I use only like 1,003. Even the time was the temperature outside was like -10, -15, and like it's strong enough to warm it up the garage. You still have to use like like warm outfit though. You can't wear a t-shirt. For sure, this is not enough. Right, so, but before, when I didn't have this, like even if I have my coverall. Where's my coverall? This one here. See, this is my coverall. Right, since I bought this heater, I don't even use that no more. I'll just use like a regular jeans, sweater, you know, and it's pretty good. All right, so and this one has the like what do you call that? The safe automatic shut off, like in case like if you tip over or if you dropped it. Right? So it's pretty good and it's metal. And for like below $50, I mean it's not bad. I've seen a lot like this from other just like other home hardware, but they were like plastic, and I didn't like them. All right, so that's it. So I just wanna update after like 1 month use, and I'm pretty happy.